everyone and welcome. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see a festive makeup look which you can achieve in 10 minutes. So this makeup look is something which you can wear for weddings or any important functions. And this video is mainly dedicated to the busy moms and ladies who really don't have much time to dress up well for such events. So let us get started with the makeup tutorial which you can do in 10 minutes. So as a first step, we need to prep. So this is not about the skin prep. So you need to prepare yourself to go ahead and get your makeup done at the last minute. So if your function is tomorrow, you can go ahead and ensure that all the products which you're going to use the next day is ready the previous day. So that will help you to save some time, because at the last minute you can't be running around as to what product to use and then it'll become a mess at the end. So prep yourself by keeping all your makeup products ready the previous day. So I have all the products ready. I will go ahead and show you the products which I'm going to use. So this will be a step-by-step process, and then I will go ahead and use it at one shot to see if we can go ahead and achieve it in 10 minutes. So the step one is prepping and priming. So you need to prep your face with moisturizer, lip balm and with a primer. So for moisturizer, I'll be using the Neutriderm moisturizer. This is a really good moisturizer which goes well with any skin type, so you can definitely try this product. And for lip balm, I'll be using the NIVEA Lip Balm. And for primer, I will be using the Insight Primer. So this is a oil-free primer and it will go really well for oily skin people, and it gives you a mattifying finish. So this is my prep process, which is the step one. So step two is to set your base. So the base would be your color correcting foundation and concealer. So for color correcting, I will be using the Nykaa concealer palette. And for foundation, I will be using the Nykaa Matte to Last foundation. This is of shade 09N Tan. And for concealer, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is of shade Pure Beige. And to set this base, I will be using the Faces Canada Banana Compact Powder. So this is my base. Next for eye makeup, I will be using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I will be using the Mamaearth Kajal, the Sugar Pop eyeliner and the Mars mascara. And step 4, for adding colors to your face, I will be using the Swiss Beauty face palette. So it's got a contour, a blush and a highlighter. And finally for lipstick, I will be using the lip liner from Mars and the lipstick from My Glam. And finally, to set it, I will use the Faces Canada setting spray. Apart from this, I will be using a beauty blender to go ahead and set my product. So this is a wet beauty blender. And then I will be using some of my makeup brushes to do the rest of my makeup. So these are the products. So I have prepped myself to go ahead and do my makeup. So let us get started and let's see if we can achieve it in 10 minutes. So I'll start with the moisturizer. Now the primer. Next, I'm going to use the color corrector. Now the foundation. So you need to blend it really well. In a hurry, please don't miss out this process. Next, I'll use the concealer. I'll use it on my eyelids as well, as I need it as a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'll set it with the compact. Let's move on to the eye makeup. I'm going to start with the lighter shade to set the crease. And then a little darker shade. So I will apply this all over my lid. Then I'll take a shimmery shade to go ahead and set it in my inner V. Then again, I'll blend all the colors together. Now I'll use the eyeliner. Next, I'll use the kajal. Next, I'll use this mascara. And next I'll use this face palette. I'll use the contour first. Then I'll use the same brush to use the blush. If you think it is more, you can use a beauty blender to go ahead and remove the excess, which I'm going to be doing it now. And now I'll use the highlighter. And next we'll get on to the lipstick. So I'm going to first line my lips. It's always best to use a liquid transfer proof lipstick so it stays for a long time. And then finally I'm going to use the setting spray. So that's with the 10-minute makeup. So there are some edits which I have done. That is because I would have missed something in talking. So that's the only edit which was there in this 10-minute. So apart from that, this makeup took just 10 minutes. So let me complete it with my earrings and rest of the makeup. So this is the completed look with my earrings and bindi. So this is the 10-minute festive makeup look which you can achieve if you go ahead and prep yourself before going ahead and applying your makeup. You can go ahead and achieve this look within 10 to 15 minutes and get yourself well dressed for any kind of function like weddings or any important function. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.